know there are people, if you are sick, they wouldn't notice. Are you with me? When I was a younger person, I struggled with empathy because I don't know what sickness and pain is. You didn't hear me. You say, you mean you are never sick? No, I am always sick. So I don't know what it is like because that's how I live my life. My body is hot, I move. The pain is there, I move. So when I see people who are not moving like that, I think they're faking it. No, you didn't hear me. Do you know there are people that fever can't keep on the bed? You wake up in the morning, you say you are tired. Tired for what? Is anybody hearing me? It makes you feel like, are these people crazy? Don't bother. But you have to develop it. You have to be able to look at somebody and say, this person is going through something. Empathy. Enter into the person's feeling. If I do this to this person, how does it feel? If you have my voice, say yes. You know what to do. There are people that don't have it. They can do you anything and there's no sense of remorse. That's psychopathic. Hello? Is anybody hearing me here? I saw something they were projecting over the week and all of that. I don't know, but I think it's in the US. A man is in court with the wife. Hello? And it's over their child. And the judge turned to the woman and said, you cheated on him and got pregnant and claimed it was his son. They were dating, they were not married. The young lady got pregnant. The relationship didn't lead to marriage and they left. Are you with me? The girl knew that the child was not the young man's child. She was aware, not that she didn't know. But she reached out to the person because she was engaged to this boy and was cheating on him. And another guy impregnated her. She reached out to that guy. The guy said he's not interested. And then he hooked this man. And in America, if a child is born, whether it's yours or not, if you sign as the father in the hospital, you must take care of the child. It's the law. So this young man, being the boyfriend, signed as the father, thinking it was his baby. He has gone to jail for not paying child support. This has lasted for 12 years. He has gone to jail for not paying child support. Because he said one day he sat down and was checking something. I looked in his file. He even came with it to the court. I said, no, this child, when he was conceived, I was in California. He said, from the time of the birth, no, it can't be my baby. And so he started protesting, he's not going to pay. They put him in jail. The girl kept insisting it was his child, that there was a miscounting. And while they were in court, the judge asked her, are you sure it's his child? He said, hey, she's not sure. And she was laughing. And the judge said, you don't even care. He went to jail for this thing. And she was smacking. You see the carelessness. And I said to myself, that's a culture they want to bring to Nigeria. Can I talk to somebody here today? They did the DNA test, brought it out. He has no relationship to him. The other person is aware it's his child. But he didn't care. And this man for 12 years put this boy on this child, on this man. Collecting money. When he said he won't pay, she called the social welfare. They took him to court and put him in jail. He was there wiping tears. He said, I told everybody that this girl is psychopathic. She wants to wreck me and she's aware. And you could see her, no sense of remorse. It's just a game. She's playing a game. You meet men like that. You meet women like that. Everything is a game. Is dating 5 women is a game. She's sleeping with 4 persons is a game. And then she's smiling at home. She's leaving the house playing on the husband is a game. Can we talk? Can you lift up your hand? I pray for you that the Spirit of God will not allow you to go to a wrong person. So you are looking at relationship skills. Love is not enough. What of the issue of the character content? What of the issue of generosity? Are you still here? What of the issue of boundaries? You've agreed with this young man about how your marriage, how your body is going to be. You go to his house, he's trying to rape you, forcing you. What about boundaries? You are relating with somebody, and every time the person grabs your phone and checking everything. What about boundaries? We are not even engaged. We just started a relationship. Everywhere is quiet. I love you too. When they hear me so, their love is not enough.